Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by placing the metal zone into your signal chain. This is crucial because gain staging defines tone. Plug guitar into the pedal input, then run the output to your amp or audio interface. Once done, power it with a fresh 9V battery or a regulated 9V DC PSU. Make sure it's center negative. Set amp volume low to avoid surprise loudness. These steps get you ready. They prevent noise and give a clear baseline for dialing the pedal. Now you shape the sound. Begin with level at unity, 12 o'clock, and gain low so you can hear how the pedal colors the tone as you add it. Once you understand the pedal's character, raise gain gradually for more aggression. Next, set the low and high EQs around noon. These control body and bite. Use the parametric mid control and its frequency knob to sweep for the sweet spot. This decides whether your guitar sings through the mix or cuts aggressively. Finish by refining context and fixing issues. Match the pedal's level to your bypass tone so volume switches aren't jarring. If the sound is too harsh, back off the high EQ or lower gain. If it's muddy, reduce low or sweep mids toward 801, 200 Hz for clarity. Make sure you listen with the amp's EQ and adjust both together. If things go wrong, excess noise, check cables, power supply, and use a noise gate or true bypass switch. Troubleshooting usually fixes it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.